Indeed, you possess a self-healing power within yourself that no external factors can threaten.
Welcome once again to your YouTube channel, Mental Health. I am Vanya, a researcher in the field of mental health, and today I bring to you the esteemed teachings of Professor Danesh. With a doctorate in quantum physics and ontology, Professor Danesh profoundly comprehends the inseparable connection between mental and physical health, backed by extensive multi-year research. In this video, he will expound on a crucial message and provide incredibly practical solutions for those struggling with depression, intense sorrow, and even contemplations of suicide. To truly grasp this topic, it's essential to watch our previous videos, enabling you to fully absorb the subject matter and appreciate his invaluable insights.
Greetings to all our beloved friends around the world, irrespective of race, religion, or ethnicity. We stand with you on this channel as we strive hand in hand towards a globally healthy life through your language, towards the dawn of a globally healthy life. In different periods, I've had the honor of being in the presence of over 30 great professors, individuals from different religions and perspectives. I reached out to their teachings and learned from each. However, amidst these invaluable teachings, a vital connection was missing. And I didn't know where this missing link was. To elaborate, I provided an example for one of these professors, and that was that I received a gold wagon from each of the professors I met. Well, if you imagine 30 masters, 30 spiritual and great masters, it will be 30 gold wagons. Now I want to connect these gold wagons to a locomotive to reach the destination, because if you discover the golden wagon in the middle of the desert, it doesn't work. You have to take it to the city, and then you can carry out the conversion process. Now we have these 30 wagons, and we also have one locomotive, and we want to move to our destination. But there is a missing link in the middle. This link is like a powerful metal ring that should be able to connect this wagon to the locomotive. And if this ring is not there, we will remain in the middle of this desert, and all our achievements have not reached the result and destination. Furthermore, if that link had not been found, all this information we received could not have been compiled into a video to be shared with you across various parts of the world. This link was found when I was researching Rumi's works, and miraculously noticed this link, and that link is mental ego. If this mental ego is not recognized, and according Rumi said, if this demon is not placed inside the glass and closed in the glass, it is like you won't be able to reach your gold wagons to the destination. You must and you have to recognize this imaginary and illusory creature that has no external existence, but we are giving it an external existence, and we must stop empowering this demon. It has various spiritual and material aspects, but it also has material aspects. That is, for the occurrence of physical diseases, mental diseases play a prominent role. Today, many people around the world may have suffered from depression or mental illness and stress to the extent that they may want to end their lives. We tell them to stop. This factor that urges you to destroy yourself or to self-harm gradually or with pain and illness, this factor is not real, but an imaginary factor called the mental ego. Recognize this mental ego within you. We will help you. We will provide you with the tools to recognize it, and you will slowly learn its tricks by following these videos and these materials. It goes without saying that this demon has been in the world for a long time. It has been nurtured and grown within you. And of course, it takes time for it to be recognized and diminished. This will not happen in 1 or 2 sessions, but the benefit of these videos is that it informs you that this demon exists. We do not believe that such an imaginary phenomenon exists, or if it does, that it affects our behavior consciously and unconsciously to such an extent. The mental ego's plan for you and me is that it will not leave us until it sends us to the grave. It has vowed to be with us until then and not let us pay attention to the facts. Nevertheless, you are a powerful, well-equipped body with self-healing power that no external factor can threaten. But the mental ego says that there are germs, viruses, epidemics, insects, vectors, poisonous foods, and such things. Yes, they exist, but they are not the crux. The crux is what opens a window inside you that they seize upon and trigger disease within you. When I discovered this missing link, I truly felt that one of the most significant events of my life had occurred, and I decided to share it with all my good friends around the world, and from that point on, engage in a life of self-awareness. Let's live an effective, purposeful, and incredibly invigorating life. Good luck.
Thank you, dear friends, for accompanying me until the end of this video. Stay with us in spreading this awareness and share the channel with friends who could benefit from this enlightenment. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Take care until the next video, and goodbye.
Danesh Media Update Idea.